This house here, customer states that she thinks she has some hail damage. There was a hailstorm a couple weeks back. The main thing you want to start looking for is if the hail dented any of the shingles, put any holes in them, any punctures. A lot of times if you get a lot of severe hail damage, you'll have a lot of grit missing. You also have holes. The roof itself actually doesn't look that bad. This front face doesn't even look like it has any hail damage at all. Maybe right here there's a little bit, like stuff like right here, this spot. You can see where the hail indented the shingle. Overall, just looking at the roof, it doesn't really look that bad. So the aluminum ridge is actually coming loose on multiple sections due to just the design of it, the way that it was made. It's face nailed, so a lot of times what happens is that the nails get rusty and then they just pop loose and then it doesn't hold. But as far as the entire roof itself, it looks great. Good. I looked everywhere, I checked everything. Even if it was bad, I would tell you that. And then I put the price in there for what it would be if you wanted me to come back here yet sometime and fix the ridge. I can replace the ridge that goes this way on the dormers. Each one of the dormers, even right here, this one right here, that one's starting to come up off. You get scheduled and I'd come out and take care of it for you.
Perfect.
So, all right.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
take care.